Okay, if you've purchased some height map terrain and you get the message that the physics engine needs to be switched, um, you can either go and use the go into the project and switch the physics engine to the bullet engine, which the terrain was set up to use, and that will let the various cars drive on it and such that are set up with the bullet engine. But you can also still use it with the PhysX engine too. So I'm going to switch back to the PhysX engine here, and here's how you do it. I'll go ahead and add my terrain. Um, any terrain will do, and when it pops up, you'll see you get the message that it uses a different physics engine and it's kind of outdated. So we can switch that to use a new one. So what you want to do is go into your scene manager. I'm going to zoom out a little bit, just a little. And then I'm going to select the terrain in the scene manager. And what I'm going to do is come over into its modify panel and select the materials for the terrain. You'll see there are 4 of them, but you only need to change it on one and it changes it for all of them. Now I'll scroll down a little bit and you'll see this enable terrain physics box under the terrain physics heading. Just go ahead and select that, and you can change the settings here if you need to, but I'm going to leave them at default. And now if I add a prop, I'll just add a sphere for now, and I'm going to raise it up off the ground a bit, and then I'm going to set its physics on so we can test the physics here. Leave it at dynamic and rigid body, and I'm going to make it a sphere, make the bounding blocks a sphere so it'll bounce around and stuff. And now if I drop it on that adjusted redone terrain, you see I have my physics back. It's colliding as it should. All right, hope that's helpful.